Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We have got Grandpa Joe's Candy Shop, amongst other things. So we're going to actually open up all of these boxes, show you what's in there, and everything will be available on hookedonpickin.com. So run on over there, go to the food category, snacks and candy category, and you'll be able to find all the stuff. And so let's go ahead and get to unboxing. All right. Let's see what we get.
Grandpa Joe's.
Grandpa Joe's.
It's a great name.
Just sounds like a jolly man, doesn't it?
It does.
Giant Smarties for the super smart person in your life.
It'll make you even smarter.
Yeah, it will. If you eat it, it will make you smarter.
Beautiful.
And if you're not yet smart enough, then you can have nerds to become a nerd.
Nerds are smart.
Are they smart?
Isn't that the whole point of nerds?
I think so. Look at those.
Ooh.
Fancy dispensers.
That's right.
These are my favorite candy bars on the planet. Caramello.
They are good. We sold out pretty quickly, too.
Yeah, we did. So we'll have those online. Hookedonpickin.com is what I mean by online. Another box of those.
See some cowtails.
Oh, these are your mom's favorite. She used to love these, right?
I don't remember Mom liking those, but maybe. She might like those.
She liked them.
There was these peanut butter candies I remember that she used to like.
Yeah. These are the best. Ooh, this box is about to fall apart. Oh, I can't believe I got it all picked up.
You're amazing.
Cream savers.
I bet you those would be good for a cough drop, too.
Eat that. Just swallow it and eat it. That'd be amazing. I love cream savers. Sorry, I really like cream savers.
Maybe a little too much. I don't know. That sounded a little weird.
I was a little bit borderline creepy.
I was a little creeped out.
I was partially zoning out at the same time as talking. That's what I was doing. Boston baked beans, candy-coated peanuts.
That sounds good. Boston baked beans. I didn't know that those were candy-coated peanuts. I like it.
That's cool. And we've got Red Hots.
These are different. We haven't had Red Hots or Boston baked beans. Always good to have some Red Hots.
I love these. These are so good. Lemon heads.
Lemon heads.
They're the best. They're little boxes too, so
yeah,
kind of like a little sampler size. Here's some more cream savers.
They call it portion control now, Heather.
Oh, I see.
Not sampler size, portion control.
Portion control. Okay, we have a bunch of Jelly Bellies. I'm going to pull these out. Okay, we got some Smarties. More Smarties. Stack those. Okay. Bazooka bubblegum. We haven't had this in a while. We used to have this.
We used to have it, you're right. I think it got back in stock.
Mm-hmm. And we have Flash Pop Rings. Did we have these online or just in the store?
I cannot remember.
Yeah, we might have had these online. But we will now. They'll be online now. Nondescript box that we'll open in a minute. What is this? Somebody was actually just asking me about this the other day. If we were going to get more of this and stuff. Because we sell out of it almost immediately.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Starburst cotton candy.
Delightful.
I think we have Starburst and then sometimes we get Skittles. So we'll see if we get Skittles too. Alright, let's see what kind of Jelly Bellies we got.
They have a whole bunch of different sodas too. But
Snapple.
Shipping the sodas would be difficult. That looks good. You have to get your drinks this way.
The store if we wanted.
We could. We don't have a freezer or anything like that, though.
A fridge. Most people put sodas in a refrigerator.
Well, I think throw them in a freezer, see what happens. They'll be even colder.
I know what would happen if we put them in a freezer.
Yeah,
Very cherry. Were we just out of these, or they were new?
Yeah. This very cherry we have a hard time keeping in stock.
That one is a popular one.
Sells out pretty quickly. That and that buttered popcorn sells out real fast.
Yes. I think it's because it's Amy's favorite. That's why.
Could be.
Puff Drops.
Those are good, too.
Honey lemon. You have been utilizing many.
I have. Yes. Still have a cough, but it's a little bit better.
It's better.
Oh, big boxes.
Cafe latte candy. Coffee candy. These are so good. I eat them way too much. Way too much.
We have all kinds of ways to get our caffeine.
Yep. I always need my caffeine. Some more.
Is that the same bag?
Yeah.
Same box? Okay.
Because I know we usually have like an espresso one.
Yeah.
That we usually get. Oh, look at just look at the gloriousness in there.
Beautiful.
Jelly belly heaven right there.
Jelly belly
You're
amazement.
gonna have to see all the different kinds I get. I'm gonna have enough room on the table. It's too many different kinds.
It's a great problem to
You can
have.
go straight to hookedonpickin.com, go to the snacks and candy category. We actually do have a Jelly Belly section, so just go to the Jelly Belly and you can choose your kind.
What was that bell, Heather?
Oh, somebody walked into the store.
We're in the back of the retail store.
Yep. Well, what
That means
used
more
to be-
people coming in.
Used to be the back of the retail.
There's a flood of people.
Flood. The wild cherry cough drops.
Wild cherry cough drops. Wonderful.
So we have the honey lemon and the wild cherry. Okay, let's see. Jelly Belly Central here.
Here they are.
There they are.
Buttered popcorn.
I hope you bought more than just one box.
Boy, I can't remember.
You're right, we do sell out of that one super fast.
Oh, yeah.
Krispy Kreme and Jelly Bellies, just put those together, and that's a match made in heaven right there. They're even shiny. Look at them.
Flood of people. Flood of people.
Flooding.
It's the third time it's gone off.
Oh, more Krispy Kreme.
Oh, yeah. Boy, it'd be good if I did double order some of this stuff.
Yeah, because some of them are...
Pretty bad I can't remember what I've ordered.
Well, it takes a while to get to us. There's lemon meringue pie.
Nice.
I don't think we had that one in stock.
It's been a while, probably.
Oh, James got this for Christmas.
Yep.
And he said it was amazing.
Yep.
Citrus mix. Dr. Pepper.
Those are good.
Yes, they are.
Tastes like Dr. Pepper.
What?
I like Dr. Pepper, though.
I can't believe Dr. Pepper tastes like Dr.
If
Pepper.
if they don't have Coke at a place, they usually have Dr. Pepper, and
Yeah.
I can
Licorice.
take that.
Black licorice.
You like licorice, don't you?
Not black licorice.
You like red licorice?
Red. Yeah. I like a brand called Red Vines that you can usually find in Michigan. I can't find it around here. Smoothie blend.
Smoothie.
I'll tolerate the Twizzlers pull and peel.
Four more boxes.
4 more, and then we have other boxes.
Mm-hmm.
There's more Dr. Pepper.
More Dr. Pepper? I think it's going to be a little bit of a shorter unboxing. Wild cherry. Double ordered.
Yep. Very cherry.
Have we found 2 of the butter?
Not yet.
Butter popcorn? Let's hope one of these is that.
That looks new. Oh, we haven't had these in a while.
I know.
Raspberries and blackberries.
Raspberries and blackberries. That looks good.
There it is.
There it is.
Buttered popcorn.
Good old buttered popcorn.
Alrighty. Should we find out what's in these? I bet it's coffee candy.
I'm going to take a wild stab, but you're right.
Don't take wild stabs.
Don't take wild
especially
stabs.
while holding a box cutter.
True. Oh, yeah.
That's the espresso candy. This one's my favorite. Actually, both of them are my favorite, really, to be honest. And then I believe we got 2 boxes because
it looks like it, yeah.
There's one on the bottom. So I'm just going to scooch that down. Then, what in the world is this situation we got going on here?
They just taped all the boxes together and shipped it, didn't they?
Should I just open one or open all of them? I guess we'll open all of them. No, take them apart first.
Yeah, you kind of have to.
Boy, I made that look easy, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
Cinnamon.
Ooh, I think it's been a while since we've had the cinnamon candy.
Yeah, agreed.
Might have been because of Christmas. Maybe they got sold out of their cinnamon.
Maybe. I don't know if this one's going to come off yet. Maybe. Okay. Lemon drops.
Lemon drops.
This hard candy is amazing.
It is good stuff.
So good.
It's like you've slipped back in time.
Yep.
Of course, they've been making it the same way for who knows how long.
Yeah, eons.
Made in the USA. It's almost all this candy is made in the USA.
Yep.
I think all of it is, actually.
All right, last 2 boxes. This one is wild cherry.
Sounds good.
Yes, it does. And this one is old-fashioned root beer.
Root beer. That's good stuff.
So you can go straight to hookedonpickin.com. I think the old-fashioned hard candies are all together as well, and you just pick your kind, as well as the Jelly Bellies, and you'll find all of these items also on hookedonpickin.com.
I have a question for you.
Yes.
So I'm in talks with a company right now that packages candy with our own logo.
Yes.
So what kind of candy, Heather, would you want that is packaged?
Well, clearly, I would want coffee candy.
Coffee
Not
candy?
everybody likes coffee candy. A lot of people like this kind, like the old-fashioned hard candies.
But instead of it having this on it here, it would be Hooked on Pickin' in our logo.
Ooh, would you guys buy that? I mean, it's literally legit, like just like hard candies,
Yeah.
but they would logo it for you. Because what did you say? You said this guy basically said, well, we have to put a label on it anyway.
Yeah.
So we might as well just
He's not even going to charge us to put the label on.
provide the service to actually logo it for your
They
store.
do like 4 or 5 different companies, and he was
Cool.
just like, "Hey, we'd love to be able to do that."
That'd
They're
be
out of
fun.
California,
Yeah.
but they also do jerky.
Awesome.
So we don't do a lot of jerky. What do you think about jerky?
Well, it has a long shelf life too.
Yeah, probably.
Jerky does. And that would appeal to the people that couldn't eat sugar, like your diabetics and stuff
That's-
like that would be really good.
A diabetic can eat jerky fine?
Yeah, because high in protein. And also your keto. Your keto
Oh, yeah.
diet people
Yeah.
would like the jerky. I know that your brother likes jerky. He's a big CrossFitter and does a lot of muscle building, and so
Yep.
that's a big thing too.
He's supposed to have all the candy. He says all the candies that he had growing up, and he says he was 60.
Okay.
So I think
So kind of the old-fashioned
a little bit
stuff.
more of the older fashioned style of candies, but I think that's perfect.
I think, too, just a reminder, kind of a little bit off topic, we're going to ASD Market Week. I just got everybody registered from our business, and so we would love to meet you. We're going to be going with Shannon and her husband, and Amy and her husband will be going with us to help us do some shopping there. And so if you would like to meet up with us, please leave comments in the comment section below, or most importantly, send us an email at hookedonpickin.com or hookedonpickin@gmail.com. We'll set that aside, and we'd like to set up a time to be able to meet all of you if you're going to be in the Las Vegas area during the ASD Market Week, which I believe is like the second week of March. So thanks so much for joining us for this candy unboxing. Go to hookedonpickin.com to find all of these items and more. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.